Welcome to Ahmad CH. I'm your AI guide. Developed by Ahmad. Today's topic is how galaxies work. You might be wondering, what do spinning cosmic islands have to do with AI? Well, before we build AI to understand complex things, we first need to appreciate how complex things work. Galaxies are massive, intricate systems, almost like the universe's own applications or simulations. Understanding their components, rules, and behaviors helps us develop the mindset needed to build AI that can eventually model or predict such grand phenomena. At its core, a galaxy is a vast collection of stars, gas, dust, and something called dark matter, all bound together by gravity. Think of it like a massive data object in programming. It's not just one thing. It's an encapsulation of many different types of smaller objects. Stars, planets, clouds of gas that have their own properties and behaviors, but are fundamentally linked to the larger galactic object. Just like a software application has different modules, libraries, or data types, a galaxy has its fundamental components. Stars are like individual data points or user accounts. Gas and dust are like the raw, unorganized data, waiting to form new structures. And dark matter, that's like the hidden background process or a dependency that's crucial but you can't directly see or debug it. You infer its existence from its effects on the system. How do all these components interact? Through gravity. Gravity isn't just a force. For our analogy, it's the fundamental algorithm or rule set that governs everything within a galaxy. It dictates how stars orbit, how gas clouds collapse, and how the entire structure holds together. It's the core physics engine, or the back-end logic, that makes the galactic system behave the way it does. Not all galaxies look the same. We classify them into types like spiral, like our Milky Way, elliptical, and irregular. From a developer's perspective, this is like data classification. We observe patterns and shapes in the raw, galactic data, and group them. This kind of pattern recognition and categorization is a foundational step in many AI tasks, even before deep learning comes into play. Galaxies aren't static pictures. They evolve over billions of years. They can grow, merge with other galaxies, or even change their shape. Think of this as understanding a dynamic system, or state management, in programming. How does the state of a galaxy change over time? What events, like a merger, trigger these changes? Understanding these processes is key to predicting future states, just like we try to predict user behavior in an application. At the center of most large galaxies, including our own, lies a supermassive black hole. It doesn't suck everything in haphazardly, but its immense gravity plays a crucial role in the galaxy's formation and evolution. You can think of it as a galaxy's central server, or a core processing unit. It's incredibly powerful, influences everything around it. Yet its internal mechanics are still a black box for much of science. Much like some complex libraries or APIs we use daily without fully understanding their internals. Thanks for watching Ahmad CH. If you found this helpful, subscribe and hit the bell icon.